Welcome back to Sense and Sensibility. Today, my friends in finance, I want to share with you the great business of Rolex. Rolex was founded in 1908 by Hans Wilsdorf and his brother-in-law Alfred Davis to originally import the inner mechanisms of watches from Switzerland. However, it quickly moved to Copenhagen, where Hans Wilsdorf bought out Alfred Davis. Soon, though, Hans started using angular mechanisms that put his watches on another level, eventually signing an exclusive supplier agreement in 1930. All the while, Rolex watches were getting better, and Rolex kept expanding to new markets. Rolex also started hitting its stride in marketing, building one of the most respected brands in the world. And even with the quartz and later the digital watch revolutions, Rolex still has over a 30% market share in revenue of the Swiss watch industry, almost double the combined revenue of its two closest competitors. Rolex also makes up more than 40% of the Swiss watches industry's profits. Rolex easily sells over 1 million watches a year, with revenues well north of 10 billion. However, in 1945, Hans Wilsdorf donated Rolex to the Hans Wilsdorf Foundation, keeping Rolex as a for-profit company that is run by a charitable foundation that donates hundreds of millions of dollars every year. This is a company that combined meticulous craftsmanship and perfectionism with an insanely strong brand name that enabled it to become one of the most successful watch brands in the world. Even if you aren't building a multi-billion-dollar business, we all have a personal brand to attend to and can all apply a similar strategy of hard work, attention to detail, and the willingness to show up in the best way possible for decades. Thanks for watching. Remember, this isn't investment advice, just stuff you should know. Please like, share, and subscribe so that you and I can continue our investing journey together.